Hello and welcome to this Quadro TV video. We will be showing you how to use the requester interface in the web portal.
To register on the request portal, you click the register link on the top menu, which takes you to the register user page. You enter your first name, your last name, your email address, the department you work in, your position, your password, and then you click the register button. You will now get an email explaining how to log in to the request portal. So we have successfully created our job requester. We can now log into the request portal. Using the link from the welcome email takes us to the login page. Here we enter the username referenced in the welcome email and password we have set. Click the sign in link. We're taken straight to the process of creating the job request. So let's create our first job request. Select site. So let's select main site. Let's select the drama building, and then we can either, if we know what room we need to raise a job request against, or we can click view plans and it will show us the plans. So for example, the area I need to get looked into is DR101. So if I'm going to select space drop, I'll select DR101. I scroll down and press the next button. I then select the job type, so this is an electrical issue, has to do with internal lighting. So here I can set where the location is specifically, or I can leave blank and I can enter an action required. I've forgotten to select the problem, so let's set the problem. The problem is that it's not working. So here I can say the main light is constantly flickering. The main light is constantly flickering. Here I can select the priority, so I'm going to select 2 to 3 days as I believe it's not urgent. Here I can say whether or not it requires myself to be present for the job to be fixed. So if it does, I tick the checkbox, or I untick the checkbox, or in this case, allow unaccompanied actions, I tick the checkbox. Then here I can say tick to receive email updates. I'll keep this checkbox ticked, so I want to receive updates regarding the job request I'm now raising. Then I click submit. Here is a confirmation page where I can review my job request before submitting it. All looks correct, and I press the confirm button. Now I've successfully created my job request and I have a reference number. Here is the email I have just received for the job request I have raised, telling me that the status is open, what the action I've asked to be done, information regarding the job I've created, and priorities, etc. Once my job request has been signed to an operative, I will receive a new email with the status of update. Once my job has been complete, I will receive another email with the status of complete. Plus, I will have the ability to click a link in the completed email to review and rate the quality of work that has been done. Now that I've created my first job request, I can go and review my job requests that I have created by clicking the request link. Here I will see the job request that I have now created, and I can view it by clicking on the reference number, and I can see the information. Plus, as time goes on and as the job gets completed or has been assigned to an operative, I'll see what operative has been assigned under the refer to field, and when the job is complete, these fields that only can be completed by the operative will be filled in. Now if I click back to requests and if I click on the default building, as you see, I don't have a default building assigned to me. Your trades department manager can assign you a default building. For example, as I'm a English teacher, my default building may be the English department buildings. But if I want to raise a job request against other building, I can. Plus, if I want to see other job requests that have been created, I can select the site using the drop down. So I can click main site, and then I can select a building. So, for example, I can look at Cambridge House, and I will see all the job requests that have been created against Cambridge House. And I can view their statuses. As you can see, they are complete. If I want to type in no, there are no complete job requests.